Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart from 2019, and I'll show you how to enable power saving mode. So to start, you can pull down the notification bar and it's more, and it will be either visible here, or you can tap on the pencil icon and it's right here, the little battery icon, so you can just grab and drag it here. And from here you can either enable it by tapping on it, and it will enable the ultra power saving mode, which is the one that basically makes it look like this, or you have access to just like couple apps, and all the primary features are turned off for maximum battery performance. And if you want to leave it, you can just tap on that little icon right there and confirm by exiting. Or you can also enable the little bit more subtle option just by holding it, and it will take you to settings. And from here you have the power saving mode, which is the first option. So you can enable it, and as you can see right now, the battery will stand for 9 hours and 8 minutes. And if I enable it, it will jump to about an hour, a little bit of an hour more. So not a huge improvement, but also doesn't really change much on how the phone behaves. It only like limits how many times the phone updates, and tones down a little bit of the performance of the phone, but only may be visible in gaming, I guess. Other than that, it's not noticeable. And if you want to turn it off, you can just pull down the notification, tap on it again, and just tap right here to turn it off. You can also optimize battery usage here, and it will automatically do it. So as you can see, I can tap on finish. So yeah, now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.